I have a very special announcement. We're gonna be doing a thrift store flip. Thrifting, flipping, flip, thrift, flip, 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 flip. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So today, first of all, I just have to say this. I have to vent. I did something that was not smart today. I put gum in my makeup bag. Yes, gum in my makeup bag. And I am in South Carolina and it's really hot right now. And gum and makeup do not go together. Like, I open my bag and I'm like looking at a nightmare scene of gum. It was terrible. So don't ever do that, guys. Don't leave your gum in your makeup bag. Don't even put gum in your makeup bag. Why would you put gum in your makeup bag? Ashleigh, that was so stupid. Oh God. So I just had to say that, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let's get back into what we're here for. So today we're going to be doing a very thrifty thrift flip. This is going to be a new playlist on my channel. So if you are interested in videos of going to the thrift store and flipping the things that you find in there, this is going to be the playlist for you. So today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with the lovely Lindsey from Domer Homes. So if you don't follow her, go and check her out. She does a lot of DIY videos. She does different tours of her home. She does decorate with me videos, and she does like cool gardening videos. I wish that I had a garden like her, because every time she's like, oh, I'm gonna go to my garden and get these flowers, and she uses them for her DIY, and I'm like, oh my God, I wish I had a garden, but I don't. I kill like every plant that I get, literally every plant. It's pretty sad. We are going to be doing thrift store flips. So after you finish watching my video, make sure you go and check out Lindsey's video to see what she did with her thrift store finds. And lastly, if you do not follow me on my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button, and you also hit the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. All right, so let's get into this transformation. All right, so the things I picked up from the thrift store was this piece of wood that had all these different knobs on them. Pretty sure they came from Hobby Lobby, and this only cost me $1.99. And we know at Hobby Lobby these cost about $3.99 a piece. I also picked up this. I have no idea what it is. It's some type of holder, I'm guessing. I don't know, key holder. Have no clue. But I knew that I can transform this into something, and it only cost me $1.99. And the next thing that I got, it's not from the thrift store, it's actually from the Walmart clearance section. If you guys watched that coastal or nautical themed DIY, I bought several of these from my Walmart. It cost $12.98, but I only paid $3, which is a steal. And we will be using this in our DIY today as well. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is remove these pegs. I'm just going to be using my saw, and I am going to take them off. So now I'm going to take my palm sander, and I definitely should have changed my sandpaper, but I was being lazy and I didn't. But it got the job done. So what I'm basically doing here is just making sure that where I remove the pegs, the wood is even with the rest of the wood. Okay, so after I sanded, now I'm going to paint this piece, and I did about 2 coats of paint. right, so now let me tell you guys. When I first did this, I was going to do this as a keyring holder, but then when I was looking at the knobs, I was like, there's no way someone would be able to put their keys on these knobs, not unless they were using a lanyard. So I am using the family sign, but towards the end of this video, you will see that I'm going to switch it out for, switch out the words on the sign. So what we're going to do is we are going to just add this to the back frame, and we're going to use our E6000 and our hot glue to do this. So I'm using my lovely candles here as a weight as this dries with the E6000, and I'm just going to go around again with my hot glue gun and just seal it for the extra hold. Alright, so now we're going to take our twine and I am going to add it into the grooves around my frame. Alright, so this would not be an Ashleigh craft if we did not distress. So you know, that's what I'm about to do. And I'm just going to go around the whole piece, and this is going to add some extra character. Okay, so now we're going to start to remove these knobs from this piece of wood. Literally, I paid $1.99 for 5 of these. 5! These are $3.99 a piece at Hobby Lobby, I promise you, because I've seen some of these at Hobby Lobby. So I'm taking my drill bit now, and I'm going to start to drill my holes where the previous pegs were, and then we are going to add the knobs to that. Alright, so now I'm going to take my socket wrench and make sure these are nice and tight. Alright, so now I'm going to switch out the words. I'm going to remove family and add love. So that is the end of our tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. One thing that I did not show is for your jewelry holder, you can either use the command strips or you can buy the sawtooth picture frame backs, and you can screw them to the back so you can hang it up. This was a very quick, easy, simple craft. So if you want to do something like this, just hunt it down in your thrift store, because I assure you, you might can find something similar to this, because I have gone into many thrift stores and have seen the same things. So hopefully you guys do have this. Again, hopefully you do have that same sign maybe in your Walmart clearance, so you can go pick up all 3 of those signs and you can use them for any craft that you have. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did, and click on the link down below so that you can make sure to see what Lindsey did with her thrift store finds. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.